You need to get to the point of growth where God can trust you enough to give you mustard seeds. And if he does, do not kill them. He expects you to bank them for interest. Grow them. Grow those seeds. The step that you need to take today, do not wait for tomorrow. Do it now. Why wait for tomorrow to do what you can do today? The prayer you can make today, why wait for tomorrow? What if tomorrow never comes? Take the steps now. The time is now. Are you allowing the kingdom to grow in your life in whatsoever means? It was the apostle that gave an analogy. He says, if you want this phone in Kano, you put it in this bag. Take the bag to Kano. It is a bag that you took to Kano. But what happened? The phone is there. So long as the phone is in this bag and the bag has gotten to Kano, the phone is in Kano. Are you understanding me? I'm using that analogy to say that whatsoever God has given you, if you are in God and an agent of the kingdom, he believes that you will use it for the advancement of the kingdom. So he will not be afraid to give you carnal things because you will still want it. Once upon a time, in a very positive note, this was the devil's box in some quarters. It used to be box actually, and it was called the devil's box. But today we are using it to read scriptures, the word of God in church. And even where it was named the devil's box, they started using it. They were using projectors. It was a similitude of the same. And if you go to some quarters, they'll have screens. It's a level of understanding. But I'm just using that illustration to tell you that as much as this thing can be seen in that light, we are using it to do good things. And I hope you know that some people use it to watch pornography. What changed? People of the world use it for whatsoever they want to use it for. And because we are kingdom people, we are using it to read the word of God. Do you know that this thing I'm holding here has destroyed many people's lives? My notes, this is where I'm preaching from. My Bibles are here. My researches, I'm using everything for it. Why? I'm an agent of the kingdom. God has blessed me with it. It's not free, carnal money I used to buy it. But you see, I am using it to preach the word of God. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Give it to one guy in the street. Tomorrow, if you open it, the things you will see in it, you will be afraid. He will use it to advance his own kingdom. Is it not the same thing that some people use to smuggle people's money? Yahoo, yahoo. Is it not laptop? Those guys cannot do without a laptop. Are you seeing the difference? So, if you are like this, should God be afraid of committing material things to your hands? I am saying that you need to get to the point of growth where God can trust you enough to give you mustard seeds. And if he does, do not kill them. He expects you to bank them for interest. Grow them. Grow those seeds. The step that you need to take today, do not wait for tomorrow. Do it now. Why wait for tomorrow to do what you can do today? The prayer you can make today, why wait for tomorrow? What if tomorrow never comes? Take the steps now. The time is now. Time is now. Oh,